Shiba Inu fam, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel. There is one big reason why SHIB is pumping here today. Love to see it. Happy Father's Day to everybody out there, all the dads out there. And also, hopefully you're just having some great times here this weekend with family and friends. We've got to talk about the SHIB price because we have popped up out of nowhere. One of the top gainers here today, Shiba Inu, back up 7%. The overall cryptocurrency market kind of slowly coming back up, but we're going to dive into it. Take a look at this. When we look at top gainers in the top 100, there you see it. Shiba Inu ranked number 1, back up 2 spots as well in that number 16 hole, and we can see up about 12% in the last 7 days. That volume has really picked up. That number right there, 162 million in the last 24 hours. That's a big number. You can see, look at the chart. Look at that big explosion happening, coming all the way from the from the high 6s all the way back up to the 7.2, 7.3 range, consolidated a little bit from there, and then boom, blast off all the way up to the 7.5 range. Right now, we're trying to climb back up there near the 7.4 range right now. And you guys know at one point we dipped all the way down to the 5.057 range. So that's been a good entry point. I'm glad I got in down there, along with adding to some of my Matic position as well. Now, why? Why is Shiba Inu up? What's going on? What's causing this? Well, we've got the answer for you here. And it is good to see Bitcoin coming around here today as well, 26,600. Ethereum coming back up a little bit. Of course, everything tied to Ethereum. It's good to see ETH pretty much flat now in the last 7 days. Things are quieting down a little bit since our recent downturns in the overall market. But let me take you inside this article in particular because trillions of SHIB tokens have reached a break-even point. And that is why the SHIB price exploded here today, bouncing up really nicely. So this has been a remarkable turn of events. We're looking at the in and out of money around this price point. So looking at the market data into the block always helps us out with this. They revealed that over 1 trillion SHIB have regained their initial value as a direct consequence of the latest price action. So that is why we're seeing some of the price movement that we saw start to happen earlier today when SHIB broke through a crucial resistance level at that 507 level, resulting in a really nice 5% gain nearly in 30 minutes, which that's a big deal when we're talking about a $4 billion market cap. This breakthrough is part of a larger rebound in the Shiba Inu's token price following the previous drop all the way down to that 5054 level. And, I mentioned this in a tweet recently. Make sure you guys are following me over on Twitter. It's at Z_Humphries. Just kind of screwed this up a little bit. Posted it. I think SHIB goes to a $100 million market cap next bull run. I meant $100 billion. Sorry about that. Totally misspoke in that tweet. People were coming at me like crazy, which was funny. So that's what happened here. This surge right now in terms of these SHIB tokens back into profitable territory, that means 18 trillion SHIB tokens came back into profitable territory as soon as we got up over that crucial resistance level, 507. A lot of people bought the dip. Remarkably, this surge accounts for a substantial 41% of all profitable SHIB tokens in circulation right now. Current bullish momentum behind SHIB. Many are eagerly watching to see if this extraordinary price action will continue. Why is this price point so important? The 507 level? If you guys remember, we consolidated way back in 2021 after the initial price pop, okay? We had an initial price pop in May of 2021. If you guys remember, that was on the heels of the Binance news. That's when kind of Shiba Inu got put on the map. Now, what happened after that was a big sell-off, right? In June, July, and August, we trended just below that 507 level for literally 3 months. That is why so many people accumulated their SHIB down there, including myself. I accumulated a ton of SHIB at that 506 level, 505 level, that high 5 level, right in there. Right? So that's why this 507 level is so important because it kind of flips the script. A lot of people accumulated right at this zone 2 years ago, okay? 2 years ago. But of course, then what happened later in 2021 was the blow off top where we lost to zero. We went all the way to the 8.8 level. It was just absolutely insane, right? We had a remarkable run, right, in the overall markets. So that is why SHIB's up right now. And listen, we're going to keep tracking it. I love it. Love to see SHIB back up, leading the way right now. And, I mentioned this, or I'm set to mention this in a tweet. I think it's a scheduled tweet I have, but you're going to hear it first here on YouTube. SHIB's going to explode when we least expect it. When we least expect it, that's what happened back in 2021. I think that'll happen again, I think ahead of the next Bitcoin halving, which is slated for early next year. we shall see. It'll be fun to watch. We'll be here covering it for you guys. Appreciate you guys so much. Don't forget to hug your dad if he's out there and you're able to, and enjoy the time spent with family and friends. Appreciate you guys so much. Couldn't do it without you. I love it, love it, love it. And if you're not yet subscribed, make sure you guys do that. We're talking about crypto every single day right here on the channel. Love you guys. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.